My name is David Lethcho, and I'm with Arizona Window Covering Centers. We are a full-service custom window treatment company specializing in motorized shades, drapery, and automation. Our showroom is hands-on. You can see, touch, and control the products. You can watch the shades move, feel the fabrics, and see how the light transforms a room. We want visitors to walk in and say, "Wow, I didn't know window treatments could do this." It's about inspiration and helping clients visualize what's possible in their own homes. So having a showroom, it's absolutely vital to your business as far as showing legitimacy, investing in the customer experience, and ultimately that is going to set you apart from your competition. Being a shade provider in the Southwest, specifically Arizona, we have several unique challenges. We get so much sun and light that it can damage everything in your home. We need to be able to cut down the heat and keep the style in the home. Draper is one of our key partners. Their motorized and manual roller shades fit perfectly with our high-end residential and commercial projects. We trust Draper because they combine design and engineering products that perform beautifully even in Scottsdale's intense sun. A unique offering that Draper has is the graphic print. One time we got a call from a client and she was asking us for pink shades. And when I showed up to her house, she had a pink Jeep and pink everything in the house. With Draper, the price charge was reasonable for that custom printing. Some of the other manufacturers we use seem to just add such a price to it that the customer wouldn't be able to get it. So because Draper does things that other companies don't do at a price that actually works for our clients, we got to install pink shades. The majority of clients who are calling us do want a made in America product. Some of those non-warranted or cheaper foreign brands, they're using inferior screws and metals, and ultimately it won't last as long. But with Draper, you're getting what you pay for, a great product at a reasonable price with a wonderful warranty, and they're using quality products. I don't want to just sell you a product that's not going to last. Ultimately, we want you to love your space so that you can recommend your friends to give us a call. We like to say, expect excellence, get excellence. That's more than just a slogan. That's how we do business. When we work with Draper, there's really nothing holding us back from giving our clients exactly what they're looking for.